Hey guys, it's Michelle from theletterlingo and welcome to my first Plan With Me video. Today I'll be using my new In Bloom monthly sticker kit. It's available in my Etsy shop, which I will have linked below. I'll also have all my supplies listed down in the description box as well. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm using my brand new Scribbles That Matter A5 dotted notebook. I've seen several other people using it, so I wanted to try it out for myself, and honestly, I just love it. The paper is really smooth and I have no problems with ghosting. I have an old incomplete bullet journal, but I lost interest in it because I just put way too many collections and trackers in it, which made it really overwhelming to maintain. So I knew this time around I needed to start fresh and take a simpler approach. Plus, I can always add more later on. I'm taking these wine red flower stickers and using them to frame my June header on my monthly overview page. As you can see, I was kind of struggling to get it all centered. I'm then taking this green Tombow dual brush pen and highlighting where the days of the week will go. Then I'm taking my weekday calligraphy stickers, which are included in this kit, and sticking them down. I also want to mention that all the stickers in my shop are printed on premium weatherproof matte sticker paper. It's really smooth and resistant to moisture. Next, I'm outlining each day with my faber-castell pen in the size M. Each of these boxes are 5 grids wide and 6 grids tall. After that, I'll be placing these little date flag stickers in each box. Next to the calendar, I'm leaving space for my monthly tasks and monthly goals. I'm then taking my faber-castell pen in the size S to make the check boxes. And lastly, I'm just finishing off the spread with some daisies. My next two spreads are inspired by two of my favorite bullet journalists, Amanda Rach Lee and Planning with Kay. I just want to remind y'all that it's totally okay to be inspired by other people, but remember to credit them because they worked hard and they definitely deserve to be recognized for their creative ideas. So this first page is my daily review and mood tracker. I really like this idea from Planning with Kay because it seems super easy to manage and you can see how your mood correlates with what happened that day. I'm using the same faber-castell pen to draw the outline of the box, and then I'm using my tombow fudenosuke hard tip pen to write today was. Then I'm going in with some tombow dual brush pens to color in my key. I'm going back in with my faber-castell pen in the size S to draw these thinner lines, and then I'm using a Muji gel pen to fill in my different moods. Next is my habit tracker, which is split into two sections, work and self. I'm sticking down these date strips that I've trimmed, because let's face it, no one likes writing 1 through 30 over and over again. I'm taking this pink Tombow dual brush pen and coloring the background of where my habits will go. I'm using my Tombow Fudenosuke again for the headers, and then I'm taking my black Muji gel pen to fill in all of my habits. The last thing I'm setting up is my weekly spread. I'm trimming these flower stickers to fit this corner, then I'm writing June with my Tombow Fudenosuke hardtip pen. I'm prepping where the dates will go with this pink Tombow, and then I'm taking these daily daisies and placing them with Monday through Wednesday on the left page and Thursday through Sunday on the right. Then I'm writing in the dates with my black Muji gel pen and creating a small section for any notes I have this week. I like to include quotes with weekly spreads, so I chose this quote, "You gotta nourish to flourish," because I'm always trying to find ways to improve my business and life. And sometimes I need a reminder that I need to take care of myself before everything else can fall into place. Something I want to track weekly is my growth on Instagram and YouTube, so I'm creating a little section for that under my quote. I'm adding a couple more flower stickers at the bottom of the page for decoration. And then I'm finishing off the right side of the page with a mini June calendar, and beneath that is a place for me to write down any weekly events or appointments. And here are the finished pages. If you'd like to snag your own In Bloom sticker kit, go ahead and visit my Etsy shop. I'll be having a 15% off sale until June 12th. Just use the code YTLaunch at checkout. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to hear any of your thoughts, ideas, and feedback, so leave those in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!